Good day everyone. So for today's video, we're going to solve problem solving about mechanical shaft. So we have a given of D equals 150 Nm, T is equals to 500 Newton meter, W is equals to 12 mm, L equals 60 mm. The solution is we have a formula of if equals T over R or 2T over D. So i-plug in na to ang atong given. So we have 2 times 500 over 0.050. So i-calculate na to siya, makakuha din tag 20,000 Newton. Next is ES equals W times L. So we have to plug in the given. We have 12 times 60, makakuha din tag 320 millimeters squared. Next is pagkuha sa T is equals to F equals ES ER is equals 20,000 Newton over 720. So, i-calculate na to siya, makakuha din tag 27.78 MPa. Next problem is we have a given of D equals 50 mm, T is equals to 500 Newton meter, H is equals to 12 mm, L is equals to 60 mm. Solution. We have F equals 2T over D. So, plug in na to ang given. So, we have 2 times 500 over 0.050. I-calculate na to siya, makakuha din tag 20,000 Newton. Next is AC. So, formula nga S over 2 times L. So, it equals 12 over 2 times 60. I-calculate na to siya, makakuha din tag 360 mm squared. So, next is pagkakuha siya sa shear stress. So, formula nga F equal over AC. So, i-plug in na itong nasa itong nagkuha na ito kaganina. So, we have 20,000 over 360. I-calculate na ito siya, makakuha na ito 55.56 MPa. That's all. Thank you.